but is a necessity in EV batteries.
Oh, really?
The proposed
Interesting. If some of his strategies and styles apply to you, then guess what, my friend? Use it. So use this as learning time as usual. Okay, you're not new. Well, you might be new. So if you are new, then you're just gonna get the gist. But we're about to check out this portfolio by my guy Stack&Invest. I will show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so be sure to check it out. But with all of that being said, YouTube, it's Ronnie MP. Whoop.
It's RonnieMP.com.
Want to join my free gift card giveaway? Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on the notification. Then let me know that you subscribe down below. That's it. Hey yo, what's good? You know who it is. It's your boy Ronnie MP. Thank you and welcome to a brand new video of It's Ronnie MP, the show where we bring you guys a bunch of financial videos suggested by you guys and you guys only. So if you're brand new, then welcome, my friend. Be sure to destroy that subscribe button that you see down below. But the most important thing you can do is smash that like button. It helps get this video in front of like-minded entrepreneurs, future millionaires, trillionaires, and billionaires such as you. So be sure to click that subscribe button and the notification bell. The platform that I'm talking about, or that I use to invest, is Trading 212. All you have to do is deposit £1 into Trading 212 and they'll give you a share that's valued up to £100. Okay, free money right there. So be sure to fund the account with that initial £1, then you can get your free share down below. All right, without further ado, let's get into this video. If you're new to this video,
Hey guys, it's Stack.
before we let him carry on speaking, basically the whole aim of this portfolio is not to I'm not a financial advisor, so I couldn't care less what you do. But for my subscribers, my loyal people who do follow along, we analyze and see, okay, what potential research have they done that we can maybe use, and basically just what investment style do they have? Does it align with us? If it does, then we can use some of the tips and tricks if there is any. If there isn't, then guess what? You get entertainment out of it regardless. So without further ado, let's get on to the video right now. And I say that because some haters are out there, you get me?
Today I'm going to be running through the main rises and fallers in my portfolio this week. But before we get into it, many followers
30k, you know.
Patreon. In all honesty, I don't feel this is right for me to be charging people for stock tips, as I'm not a financial advisor. I'm 21, currently in my final year of university, studying law LLB.
Oh, so he's in uni.
Of pursuing a training contract as a law firm. I mean, I just love reading about stocks and helping people out to secure a stronger financial future for themselves. So that is the reason why I don't have a Patreon or charge for any stock tips. Now, let's get on with the video. Looking at my overall ISA portfolio, we are
so
up
overall
£8,913.95.
So that's really good. Straight up the bat, I just want to see like how long has he been investing for, because that's a good return. You cannot fault that. You can't watch this from home and say, oh, that's dead, that's crap. No, it's not. That is really good. It depends obviously how long has he been investing for, and just so we can see some of his positions right there. But 18,000, he's made 8k from it. I mean, you got to clap, innit? You got to clap, lads. You got to clap. So give that a round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you to him. So let's get on to it.
48.69% return. On one of the invest accounts, I'm up £8,593.84, which
Wow. No comment.
is 160.38% increase from my initial investment. The other invest accounts, I'm up £14,235.61, which is
What the bomber? How many accounts do you have, my friend? What the heck? Damn, boy. He's stacking paper. Let's go back.
Which is 160.38% increase from my initial investment. The other invest accounts, I'm up £14,235.61, which is a 270% increase. Altogether, my total profit is standing at around £31,743.
Damn. Now I'm super curious. First of all, where did you get the initial cash to be able to invest? And it sounds like he is quite young. He's mentioned that he's currently at uni, so I like this already. If you do want to join, link to the Discord is down below. Since you mentioned help, you know, we've got CJ trading with CJ now, who's joined the Discord group as well. So shout out to you, my guy. But the whole point of the Discord for me is to get like-minded people, young future entrepreneurs that are going places. That's where I'm going. I'm going places, so I want to get as many people that are like-minded yeah, people who are going places. So I'm super curious, like, does he have a side hustle, or was that just all saved up and then invested into the stock market? Interesting to find out. But let's see.
The profit is looking okay at the moment, but still has a long way to go, hopefully.
It's looking more than okay, boy.
The first big rise this week has been Alpine 4 Technologies, AOPP. It is up 158.42%.
See, basically the company he's just mentioned, I've never come across it. That's what I'm saying. The whole point of this video, guys, don't just watch it for entertainment purposes, but watch. If they mention something, do some research based on it and see, okay, maybe if I've got some spare cash, I might want to invest into this company. So the first one he's mentioned, keeping it transparent with you guys, I ain't never come across it because there's specific stocks that I choose and I do research based on. I don't like to be a jack of all trades, master of none. I'd rather be that person that practices 1,000 times, or practice one kick 1,000 times so I can become super good at it. Hence, investing in Tesla and doing a bunch of research based on Tesla. You get the gist.
Since this last week, the stock has really gained some big momentum. On one account, I'm up £11,730.19.
Jeez.
And as seen previously, on the other account, I'm up
Do you know how insane that is?
£7,654.32. Again, if you haven't seen my previous video on this,
nah, definitely haven't. Might have to check it out. Let's pause right there. So let's analyze, because there's a lot of mad numbers being thrown out here. So initially invested 5.3. Oh my goodness gracious me. Guys, that looks juicy right there. Look at the return, 160%. Wow. Wow, oh wow. And let's see the stocks down here. So advanced micro device. This is going to be a long video already, but I love it because so much value. Okay, cool. So advanced micro devices, 67. What was that, 15%? Then this right here, as he's mentioned, Alpine 4 Technologies. Big massive gains right there, 348%, 7.6%. So clearly that was one of his biggest positions. And hold on, is that 4? Okay, I thought it was 4 million. Somehow it looked like 4 million from far, but that's a point right there. So 4,343 shares of Alpine 4 Technologies. That's the kind of shares right there, the amount of shares that could turn you into a millionaire. If this company, which I haven't done research on, takes off, then it's all over. It's all over. I am telling you now, it's all over. It's a wrap. It's a shutdown right there. So that's very, very amazing to find out. Manual investments right there. Goodness me. My guy, Stack and Invest, you're killing it, bro.
32p. Again, if you haven't seen my previous video on this stock, the link will be in the description. With my investment in AOPP, I've always said I'll hold long term. I will not shoot myself in the foot by taking profits prematurely, as I've done this before with other stocks.
Yes.
The volatility has been crazy with this stock. As you can see, there were some major dips which people bought heavily. One was on Monday, it dropped around 30 cents. Another one was on Thursday, it was at $2.58 and dropped to around $2.16.
Oh, this is so good. This is a sick portfolio.
I dip twice because I was working on an assignment. This stock has gained some serious amount of momentum and has hit $3.10 a share, and the reason why, the board of directors have voted to uplist the stock to the Nasdaq from the OTC markets. This will drive the cost of the capital and equity of the company down dramatically and will gain greater attraction by institutional investors, which will make this stock stronger to invest in. This finalization of this listing will happen at the end of January to beginning of February. As you can see, on the 24th of December, AOPP was teasing us with a tweet of actually going onto the Nasdaq. I mean, this is great news for this stock, and I'll be holding this stock for long-term gain. ABML for one account, I'm up £1,685 and 72 pence. On the other, I'm £1,378 and 12 pence. Total profit with the stock is around £1,063 and 84 pence. As you can see, this stock is up 145% since last week.
Goodness me, oh my days. This is some crazy stuff that I'm seeing right here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm a very, 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 I am extremely happy for him, and I'm just trying to see. Let's check right now. I'll check and let's find out. So guys, I've just tried searching it up on Trading 212 and it doesn't not that it doesn't exist, but on the ISA account I'm not able to find this. So perhaps on an investor account it should be there. Alpine 4 Technologies. But yeah, goodness me, and I'm gonna check that one out. Definitely, I'm gonna do some research into that and see what's up, because those kind of returns, they're pretty mad. And because on the previous, if you've been keeping up with the channel, the previous video that I just posted was based on Boston Dynamics, which is a tech company. Clearly, they make robots and all these kind of crazy things. If you haven't checked it out, check it out after this video. But goodness me, man, I'm loving this portfolio growth.
Battery metal exploration.
The growth is exponential.
Recycling plants, which is based in Nevada. They're currently concerned with mining and recycling lithium, a metal that is scarce but is a necessity in EV batteries.
Yeah.
The proposed pilot recycling plant will look to recycle 20,000 metric tons of lithium, bringing revenue of 160 million a year. Once this pilot plant is successful, they will begin the making of a bigger plant which will recycle 200,000 metric tons with a revenue stream of 1.6 billion. They've also secured the land and water rights 22 miles from Tesla, so they're geographically located in an advantageous position. And for me, I'm looking to increase my position and hold this stock long term, as their factory hasn't been built yet and some permits could take some months or even years to attain, and also no revenue has been generated thus far. Another riser for me this week has been SupplyMe. SupplyMe has been a big
So let's pause right there. Okay, cool. So I'm seeing tobacco. This guy's making all kinds of gains. All kinds of stock gains. Let's see. Just to triple check. Wow. This is amazing. Okay, cool.
Riser and fall in the last 2 weeks. It just goes to show how volatile the stock is. Last week I was down and now I'm up nearly £300. And in the last week they have recently received some good news. Firstly, Quadrivio has become a financial partner of SupplyMe in its first inventory project. As you can see, this company has raised and managed more than 2 billion euros.
Be sure to like the video, guys, by the way. Show support,
the Quadrivio fund, alongside SupplyMe shareholders 1AF2 and the Avant-Garde Group, will now invest and capitalize a captive bank and become a cornerstone investor in SupplyMe's wider inventory funding programs. The acquisition of the bank and authorization is scheduled for first quarter of 2021. Also, they have welcomed aboard 5 professional investors who have acquired a total of 12% shareholding within this company. They have purchased shares worth 19.2 million at 0.0048 pence. As you can see, they are diversifying the investor base, making a stronger company going into future projects. Now I want to talk about a stock I recently bought this week. This stock is called Ocugen, and this company has skyrocketed big time and is up around 492% since last week. And I made some money around $2 and then a bit heavy at $2.70. So my average price is $2.44 and I'm at a loss at £153.98. The reason why the stock went up considerably is because it has signed a binding letter of intent with India-based Bharat Biotech to develop a COVID-19 vaccine for the US market. And over the next few weeks, Ocugen is expected to meet with the FDA to discuss how to advance the COVID vaccine development. So I believe this company will be back up soon. And then on Monday myself, I'm looking to cost average this stock. But let me know your thoughts about this stock in the comments below. That's it for now, guys.
I believe that's it.
Watching the video.
Guys, all my days, please like his video and show some love and do all of that crazy stuff that you would, sharing and stuff like that. But the portfolio or portfolios with an S, he's made the right moves, so I'm not here to judge him or to say whatever, but from my perspective, goodness me, man, I like the portfolio. What do you mean? Goodness me, what do you mean? He's killing it. He's crushing it. So that investment style suits him, therefore is working well for him. Imagine if you just told them, oh, you're not allowed to buy it, none of them, you just have to buy ETFs, okay? It would be like shoving him in prison, and yeah, so you get the gist, right? So he's making all kinds of stock gains, all kinds. And in fact, we're just gonna keep it like that, okay? This is gonna be the end of the video, but I want you, if you've watched the video all the way from the beginning till the end, like such as now, I want you to comment all kinds of stock gains, okay? All kinds. So all kinds of stock gains. All kinds of stock gains. It will let me know you watched the video all the way from the beginning till the end, and just show me who's loyal and who's not, okay? Because the whole aim is to get as much watch time as possible. We're not yet monetized, and I'm keeping it transparent with you guys because that's what I'm going to be doing. Once I'm monetized, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the growth of the channel and just giving you guys tips, because I've got a YouTube my course, isn't it? I don't really plug it or mention it, but I've got that below. So because I've been doing YouTube for a while, you guys will get full lowdown on another video. But I've been doing this for a minute, so and I took it upon myself to take a new challenge, which was to grow this channel, talking about this kind of topic, which is personal finance and real estate eventually, and just being able to help where I can. All right, so if you enjoy the content, be sure to smash that like button. It honestly means a ton. When you do that, it helps get this video in front of like-minded entrepreneurs and people such as you and me. All right, so be sure to do that. Trading 212, link in the bio. They'll give you a free share that's valued up to £100. Don't forget to do that. And that's pretty much it. Discord is also down below as well. By watching this video, do not waste your time. Don't forget to tell your haters to get in line, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Check out that awesome video. Subscribe button is right there once more. Peace out. Don't forget to comment in the comment section all kinds of stock gains. Bye.